At AVIT, we are focusing on multiple Ideathon and Hackathon events, and we are classifying our mentoring sessions into internal and external. For internal hackathons, our primary focus is identifying the ideas from the scratch and then forming a focus group which makes the mentors able to train the students at the right time and at the right phase. The primary objective of this focus group is to extract the best out of them. For external hackathons, we identify and train the students based on their technical caliber. We believe that these sessions and the feed-forward mindset brought us these accolades and makes the students future ready. And we received the accolades from various events like IITM Mintathon, NIT Trichy Ideathon, Tamil Nadu Police Academy Hackathon, Smart India Hackathon and IITM Visa AH.